Hi guys, I am Priyanka Sharma and I'm a professional makeup artist. In today's video, we are going to discuss about lip liners. I think lip liners are highly underrated. I see a lot of them talking about foundation, concealers and lipstick. Hence this video where I'm going to tell you how you can use the lip liners and why you need to use lip liners. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you my drugstore favorites as well. Before we proceed, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Let's start with why we need lip liners. Lip liners help you shape your lips. Some women have smaller lower lip, some have smaller upper lip. Not that there's something wrong about it, but if you would like to create a balance, then you can use your lip liners. Moving on to the next one, if you prefer applying cream lipsticks, then you might notice that after some times the lipsticks tends to smudge around your lips. In order to stop that, you can use your lip liners, as lip liners have a waxy consistency which helps create a balance around your lips. And because of that barrier, your lipsticks won't smudge. If you have any lipstick that washes you out, then you can use a dark color lip liner and make it work, which I'm gonna demonstrate in a second. So if you can see that this lipstick is a nude one, it is from Miss Claire, but if you will see that this lipstick make me looks I died 2 days before. So how you gonna make this work? What I do is I take a brown pencil. This is actually an eye pencil which I use to create a contour around my lips. You can also use a brown lip liners if you have, and I create a contour around my lips and I start smudging it. Now you can see that this looks much better. Now I'm gonna show you how I use my lip liners. Always sharp your lip liners before using them. Now it doesn't matter where you start from. You can either start from your lower lip or you can start from your upper lip. Just make sure that you stretch your lips, or you can fold it like this so that you can apply the lip liners in the small fine lines that we have. Now it's up to you. If you want to overline your lip, you can do it, or you can skip it. I usually overline my upper lip, which I'm gonna show you right now. So I always start from the Cupid's bow and I'm gonna overline just the middle part of my lips. I don't overline the side of my lips. If you do so, then your lips might look like this. So I'm gonna slowly start contouring my lips, starting from my Cupid's bow. If you can see, I have overlined my upper lip a little bit from this side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other. If you guys can see, I'm just doing a back and forth motion. You don't have to draw a direct line. Just do a back and forth motion and build the contour around your lips. I'm done overlining my lips, and now I'm going to overline the lower lip as well, just a slight. Now that I'm done overlining the center part of my lip, I'm going to connect it to the corners. I'm gonna do the same back and forth motion for this as well. If you want, you can fill in your lips using the lip liner as well, and then you can directly apply gloss if you want, or you can switch to your lipstick if you want, and that will make your lipstick long lasting. I'm happy with how my lips are looking right now, so I'm directly gonna apply gloss on my lip, and I'm gonna apply the gloss only in the mid part of my lip. So let's talk about my favorite lip liners from drugstore. So I have these 4 lip liners from Nykaa which I really like. These are the 4 shades which I have. So this one is a nude one. The shade is Chocolate Boy, which I really like to do my everyday makeup looks. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. All these lip liners have a very waxy consistency and they come in a very affordable price. So this is how this shade Chocolate Boy looks like. I think this one will go with Indian skin tones. The next shade is Head Over Heels. This is a perfect red, bright red lip liner. The next shade is Sweetheart Pink, which is a dark pink lip liner, which I feel would go really well on dusky skin tones. And the last one is Rocker Chick. This is a hot pink lip liner. All of them have a very waxy consistency and they come within an affordable price. So these are the best options you can get from a drugstore. And the next two lip liners which I have are from Color Bar. This is a shade called Clear Red. This red is different from the one which I have showed you earlier. This is much deeper than what we have swatched from the Nykaa one. The next shade is also from Color Bar. This is Creamy Nude. This one is on the lighter side than what we have swatched from the Nykaa. This one was Chocolate Boy and this one is Creamy Nude. This Color Bar lip liner also comes with a sharpener, and if you can use this if you want to. And this last one is an eye pencil from Krylon, which I actually use to contour my lips as well. So these are my favorite lip liners from drugstore. I'm gonna link each of them in the description box below for you guys to check out. So in this video we have learned how and why we need lip liners in our makeup routine. If you have any questions, you can mention that in the description box below and I will be happy to help you. Like this video if you have learned something new today, and if you want to know how you can make your eyes look bigger with the help of makeup, you can watch the video here. See you in the next one. Bye.